Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for your marketing needs? Imagine having everything that you need in one powerful platform. That's what GoHighLevel offers. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this all-in-one solution can transform how you approach marketing. Stay tuned for some game-changing insights and practical tips that will elevate your marketing game. Let's get started. Everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on GoHighLevel, your all-in-one solution for marketing automations and business growth. This is SB Media Empire and I am Simani, and I'm excited to guide you through the key features and functionalities that will empower you and take your marketing strategy straight to the top. Whether you're seasoned marketer or just starting, this tutorial has something for everyone. So let's dive in straight to my laptop right now so that I can show you guys how this works.
So when you click the first link in the description, this is where it's going to take you, right? Now let me just show you the GoHighLevel landing page, right? So this is the demo. If you want to, you can watch it. That's simply just up to you, right? And as you can see here on this landing page, it's basically showing you everything that GoHighLevel can actually do, and the people that have used it and how it works, right? So that you can literally have a picture of how everything works. So now I think you guys get the whole picture of it now that we actually starting with the video, right? So let me just, so you write the name of your company, and as you know guys, we are on the series of creating a social media presence for your construction company. So I will be using that very same construction company that I was using before, right? So that you guys can have a picture of everything. Now here on step 2, it basically shows you which plan do you actually want to use, right? So there are 2 plans here. There is the agency plan if you want to white label the software, right? You can use the $297 per month plan, right? And if you want to, let's say if you just want to use the software, you have no plans as to white labeling it and everything like that, you can use the $97 dollars, which is an agency starter plan. So you can use that plan just so that you can figure it out, right? So let me just put in my payment details basically. Now if you want someone that can actually do this whole part for you, to actually create this for you, we can actually do that, but in this case we will try by all our best to make sure that you guys see how you can actually do this for yourselves, right? But you can skip this part, right, because it's irrelevant for you, because we will be showing you how to create this for yourself, right? Your account has been created, so let's click here to get started. Welcome to GoHighLevel, guys, right? Now this is the onboarding part of it, right? So it will basically ask you here what industry does your business serve, right? Then you can come here and then choose, right? And if it's not here, then you can then just say others, right? But in this case, since we said this is a construction company series, home services, right? How many customers do you have? Probably if let's say you don't have any yet, you can click here. If you have some, then you can click here or wherever basically, right? Do you have a website? In this case, no, we don't. But let's say if you perhaps have one, then you would say yes, I have one, right? But in this case we don't have one, right? So okay, now this part, it's where you put this is where you put your business address, right? If you don't have a business address, like me, you're working from home basically, right? You can put your home address. So right, so you will choose the softwares that you want to basically use, right? um So if you use any of these softwares that are here, you can then click on them, but if you don't, then there's no need for you to do that, right? So next, you're not choosing any of them. Okay, got it. So now welcome to your agency dashboard, right? Now what you have to do when you're here, it's pretty much simple. You click here to switch, you click there, right? Then it's gonna show you the account that you're using. If you're using the free plan, the $97 plan, you click there. Now welcome to your GoHighLevel account. Now this is the launchpad, right? So basically this guides you, right? This guides you so that you can know what you need to do and how far are you with completing everything. So this is the launchpad, right? We'll get back to this part and you guys will see how it actually works. Now let's go to your dashboard, guys. So this here is your dashboard, guys. As you can see, that it's pretty much clean, but I will actually show you guys as we actually keep on going on. So as you can see here, it's written opportunity status, opportunity value, conversion rate, and then here is your funnel, your stage distribution, your tasks, manual actions, lead source report, Google Analytics report, Google business profile, Facebook ads report, Google ads report. So basically you can link your Facebook ads to this platform, and your Google ads to this platform, and your Google My Business account to this platform, so that you can handle everything in one place, right? And then here where it says lead source report, it will actually show you when you are running your ads. You will see on this lead source report, how are your ads actually doing, right? So if you're getting leads and you have about, let's say you have about 200 leads, you will be able to see here on your lead source report where those leads are coming from, how are they coming from there, you'll be able to see that. And then you're on manual actions. Those are actions that you need to take by yourself, because as you know, it has automations. On the software has automations, right? So when you're running automations, there are there's those things that you need to take off yourself, right? That's why it's written here: phone, SMS, total pending, right? So it's phone calls that are pending that you're supposed to be doing yourself, SMSs that you're supposed to be doing yourself, right? Now you guys actually get the whole point of it. So you guys get the whole point of it. And then here on tasks, these are this part, it's whereby you can set tasks for your team. You will be able to see here the task that you set it for. Let's say for John is the person that is handling your, let's say, your virtual assistant or something like that, or your project manager. You'll be able to see here if John has done everything that you tasked John to do, right? Here on the funnel, right? Basically, yeah, it shows when there are new leads. You will be able to see here when I will actually show you guys how it actually works. I will show it to you right now, but just remember the funnel, because I will be talking about this. Then there's the opportunity status, the opportunity value, the conversion rate, and I believe you know these parts, right? And then the second one is it's conversations right here, right? So the conversations that can show up here are conversations that, let's say, conversations that you are when you've linked your Instagram account, your TikTok account, your Facebook account, your emails. When you've linked everything here, you will be able to see the conversations that you were having, the text that you were having on those platforms. You'll be able to answer them here on this platform, on conversations. Manual actions, I told you about manual actions, right? And then there's the templates. Now you can create a template here, right? A message template, which when you're writing something, a text or something like that, it will be written in that kind of a template that you have, right? Now here are the trigger links and everything like that. So here what happens is I don't know if you guys notice, when you are on, let's say, on Instagram, and then someone says, write DM me now on the comment section, or on the DMs, right? Write DM me now. And then when you do that, there's an automation of that shows up with links there. This is how you actually do it right here, right? So you can create the link here, write the link name, and then put the link here, right? Now here you can link your calendar, right? If, let's say, you have jobs that you're supposed to be doing, if you have jobs that you're supposed to be doing on a specific day, or there are codes that you're supposed to be doing on a specific day, your calendar will show you here, right? When you link your calendar here, you will be able to see everything that is going to happen on that specific day, right? And then when you set it codes, days to go and do codes, you will be able to see that here, right? Where you will set the appointments here, right? And then they will show up here on your calendar, that on the specific time and date, this is what is going to be happening. You get it, right? Now this is where your contacts are. This is the pipeline change. I will actually show you guys a pipeline. This is where you can add your contacts, right? You can add it to your campaign or to your workflow. I will show you that. You can click here to send SMSs, to send emails, to add tags, to remove tags, to delete contacts, to send review requests after you've done a job for a client. Then you can then send them a review request right here, right? You can export contacts, right, from wherever that you've stored them, and then also you can import them, right, by clicking here. Then, as you can see, it's written the smart list, the bulk actions. On bulk actions, you can, let's say, if you have 2,000 contacts and you want to send out something, you can click on bulk actions. Then it's going to do that sort of an automation or whatever it is, or as bulks, basically, right? On restore, if you've deleted a contact, you can restore it back. Then you can have that contact back, right? On tasks, we spoke about this part, right? Then the company, let's say if you're working as a construction company, you're working with a huge company, basically, to build them something or to renovate for them. Then this is where you can actually, you will insert that company name and everything like that. So this is the opportunities, right? Now this, you remember when I was showing you the opportunities on the dashboard. This is the part, right? So when you're running ads, right, what's going to happen is it's pretty much one thing. You'll run the ads, and if you've linked your account, your Facebook or your Google account here, what's going to happen is when you run those ads, and then the leads come in, they're just gonna land here on new leads, right? And you can then keep on moving them to hot leads, to booking requests, booking confirmed, services sold, right? Or one thing that you could also do is, let me just show you one thing, guys. Let me just show you so that you can have a picture of it. Let me say John create. I don't know if that number exists, but I'm just trying to show you guys, right? So when you're adding this number, you will choose which pipeline to add it to, right? And which stage do you want it to go to, right? Status, do you want it to be open, to be lost, won, and abandoned? You choose that. You will write how much this opportunity is worth, the value of it, right? And then here you will put the owner, which is pretty much, let's say it's you. And then you will put the followers, which is something that is new, actually, this part, the followers. And then you will write the business name if it's a business, or you write the person's name right here. And then you'll enter a source right here, right? Let's say it's Facebook ads, it's Facebook lead form. Isn't the same? It's John, right? Let's say the owner, it's yourself, Papa, right? And then the tag, there's no tag yet. Let's say it's leads create. Here's your new opportunity, right? And let's say the value of this person is 65,000, right? Now what I simply just do, you can choose your own way to do it, but first of all, here, this is where you set the date that you're going to go and do the code for this person, right? And then you put the date, the slot, meeting location, appointment title. You can just write it there, right? On task, this is where you will give John, or whoever it is that is your VE basically, or whoever that is handling it. You will write the name of the task, right? Let's say you say call this person and this person. Then you give this person the information that they need to be able to contact this person. And then you can assign it here. Let's say you can assign it to Elon Musk. Yeah, you can assign it to Elon Musk. Then you put the due date. And when you're putting the due date, what you basically mean is that by this time it should be done, right? And then you're on notes. What I just do is I put it's either I put the information that person gave me during the call, or the information that I got from that person through the Facebook ads, the things that I got from the lead form. I put them here. It just depends on how you prefer to do it, right? There it goes. Then that person is going to look here, and then they're going to use this information, right? So now this person, when you've gotten on a call with them, right, and you found out that this person are interested, you put them here on hot leads, right? Let's say they booked what you call it, yeah, let's say they booked a quote. You move them here, booking confirmation confirmed. You move them here, right? When they bought your services, you put them there, right? Now you won this client this way, right? So now you guys can actually see how it actually works. Now this is where you can integrate your payment gateway, right? So you can click here to integrate. Let's say yeah it is. You can connect to Stripe or to authorize.net or NMI, right? But most people, they use Stripe here, right? So it just depends, or PayPal actually, right? But I'm not gonna connect to it. Now this is where you can create coupons for your clients, right? Let's say if you're having a 20% off your services, right, or a free code, you can then give them a coupon. This is where you can create that coupon, right? Write the coupon code, or you can click on generate coupon type, fixed. This is where you can actually do it. Then when you're done, it's done. You can send it to those people that you're giving a discount to. This is where you can put basically the products that you work with, or let me not say products, or the services that you do. If you're doing renovations, kitchen renovations and all of that, you can just write the names here, just to make it easier. Then transactions, this is where your transactions will show. This is where your subscriptions will, your customer subscriptions will actually show. The orders, they will show here, right? Now you can create the proposals and estimates here on this section, or on this part actually. You see, so you can just click on new, then you create then you create the estimates right here, right, or the proposal. Now this is here. Now here you can create the invoice, right? Either a one-time or a recurring, right? Now here, this is the best part, guys. So what you can do here is you can connect your social media platforms, right? You can connect all of them, as you can see right here. There's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's Google My Business, there's LinkedIn, there's Twitter, there's TikTok. You can connect them here, and then after you've connected them, what you can then do is you can handle them from here, from posting. You can post from here basically, right? You can create your content from here, then schedule it just here. You won't have to go to a certain platform, then do that there, then go to another platform and do it there. You can do it in one place, right? So you get the whole picture of it. Now here you can create the campaigns, right? Your email campaigns, right? Create campaign. Now this is where you can create your campaign. Now that you guys have seen where you can create the campaign, then this is where your email campaigns will actually show up, right? Here on automations, this is where it all gets good actually. This is where you can save time. Now let's create a workflow. Now you can start from scratch, you can import a campaign, or you can use the campaigns that are already here, right? So as you guys can see here, here's a recipe for no-show nurture, right? Send review request. Google My Business messages, right? Long-term nurture reactivation email sequence. So let's just say, let me start from scratch. Here on add new trigger, let me show you what that means. So what that means is, let's say if you're running a Facebook ads, right? Let's search. If your Facebook lead form has been submitted, that will trigger this, right? And then after triggering this, let's say that after triggering it will be okay. Let's say you will wait for 5 minutes, right? And then after 5 minutes, this is what will happen. Let's say you will send an SMS, since there's no template, but if there was one, but in this case there's no template. So let's say on this template you will say, hi, first name, right? Then let's say here on test phone number, you can put a number that you want to try with, if this SMS would actually work, right? So you can insert your number there and then just test it, right? So it's that easy. Then just save it, right? Now what will happen is, let's say after 60 minutes, now you guys can see it. So this is how the manual calls will actually come in, right? And then after this call, it will update the pipeline, right? Let's say if it was here, then let's say it will actually come to this stage, right? Opportunity name and all of that. Then save action, right? But this part is actually supposed to be here. I'm not actually happy with this. So the create opportunity was supposed to be at least wait after 55 minutes, then here. This is where it was supposed to be, right? But I'm just trying to show you guys how it will actually work. And then after that, you can then take it out from draft, then put it to publish, then save it, right? That's where you have a workflow. Then you insert here, let's say you say a Facebook ads thingy, right? Then let's say you will save it, but I'm not gonna save it. And then you can create another one just when they land in the hot leads, right? And then there needs to be an automation there. When they leave hot leads, they go to another stage. There needs to be another automation on that stage, right? Just so that you can make it easier for yourself, right? Now here's the sites, right? Now this is where you can create your own website. You can create your blogs, your forms, your surveys, your chat widget. You can insert your media, all of that. You can actually do it here, right? This is where you can actually do all of that. Now let's just say, yeah, let's create a website here. Right. Now as you can see right now, they are showing you the ones that they have, right? Here you can see it right now, right? Let's just say let's take this one. Yeah, let's go to home service. As I said, this is a home. Look at how this looks. So you can edit this, right? You can edit this, you can work around it. It just depends on what you want to do. Work around it. Put your logo here, take them to your home about page, services, contact, and then put a code, free code here or something like that, right? You see, it's just this easy to actually do this, right? Then your reviews here. Put your team right there. You can see it's actually showing you. Use that, edit the here and there and all of that, then you should be fine, right? Now if you want to create courses like myself, right, then this is where you can do that. This is where you can create your communities. You can have groups, right, and just create certificates for your people, right? And then this is where you can ask for the reviews and everything, and also list and put your company on listings, right? But as you can see here, it says that it's only available in these countries, right? So at the moment we don't have it, but if you are in these countries, then you can use it, right? And then here, let me just take you here, guys. Here, this is the reporting side, right? Let's say you were running your Google ads. This is where your Google ads will report. How many clicks have you gotten? Your impressions, your conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion, average click-through rate, average CPC, right? A client spends, as you guys can see there, right? Your Facebook ads, also this is where you can take a look at your Facebook ads also, right? Call reporting, this is where your call reportings will be, right? And at the moment it's zero since we don't have any. And there's something new actually, which is the marketplace, right? So now you guys can see this. There's a marketplace, which is something that is new, and it's actually interesting. You know, it's actually interesting. So you can find what you're looking for here in this marketplace. If you can't find it, then it's going to be there one way or the other, right? Now let's go to settings. Here you can edit, as you can see, your business profile and everything like that, but I can't show you everything since it's you know. Then here's the company billing. You can enter the payment methods right here, right? You can put your staff right here, add employees, then you add them, John, Jack, all of them. And then here it shows your pipelines, right? And at the moment this is the pipeline that is here. Now you guys can actually see how it actually works, right? And here are the integrations, right? And this is how to, okay, since at the moment we don't have it, but when you run it, when you want when you want your ads to come through on this platform, this is where you need to fix it. You need to make sure that you fix it so that it does that, right? But if that's something that you want to see, then you can then comment down below, then we will make sure that we do that for you, right? So now here you can connect your TikTok, your LinkedIn, your Shopify, your Stripe account, your Slack account, your Clio account, your QuickBooks account, your Meta Platforms account, your Google accounts, right? And that basically should be about it. And thank you guys for watching this. What you should do after this, when you are done creating your own GoHighLevel account and you need assistance, you can feel free to comment down below. Then I will be there to assist you, right, throughout the whole step, right? And then also, if you want to work with us, we are a multi-platform advertising agency that works with travel and tourism companies and home improvement companies, right? So if that's your niche as a company, then feel free to contact us. Our details will be on the description, right? So you can take a look there. There's a section there which says work with us. Our details are down below. After doing that, you will be able to get on a call with me or one of my team, right, so that we can assist you to get to your business goals, right, to skyrocket your revenue for your business, right? If that's what you want, then contact us right now.